township itself is called Akaa waterfall. And then the town is called
Akaa.
The town of the whole community that this waterfall is on it is called Akaa.
Okay.
This water that makes the fall is Pompon River.
Pompon River.
Yes. And so the reason why they gave the name Akaa was the community. Formerly, like in the olden days, here was very forest. Here all this place was forest.
Okay.
They didn't know there was a river here. And so they used to have a hunting. For hunting. After he got missing, they looked for him and they didn't see him. And so in the course of looking, they saw that he's here and then he has locked in the two stones over there. And then the water was moving, and so they said Waka Waha, and then they gave the name Akaa.
Okay.
Yes. And so the name Akaa.
Akaa Falls. Waka Falls into Akaa Falls. Okay. Okay. That is a short history about Akaa Falls. Expect more. Boss, can you please mention your name?
Honorable
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, boss. This is our tour guide. Yeah. Gaspar with the tour guide. Yo. So, where is the source of the water itself?
The source of the water is called Pompom. That is Falls, and then this one as well.
Which one?
Pompom.
So the
River. It feeds Boti waterfalls, and
okay, and this one as well.
Yes, and this one as well.
So can we see the source right now? Where it is coming
unless we are going out for that bridge.
Oh, okay.
That bridge that you cross.
Okay. Oh, okay. So as is flowing.
Yes.
Where is it flowing to?
It flows all the way to Okrakojo. Do you know Okrakojo?
Okrakojo.
When you get to Akaa and then you branch.
Okay.
You go straight. There's a place that a custom has built their barrier.
Yes.
You see that there's a big bridge from there. They painted it white and red.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It joins that river and then it goes all the way. But I haven't traced, to be honest, I haven't traced where.
So let's take it. It's Okrakojo and it enters the river water. Let's see.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, I'm very sure.
Okay. I'm a researcher too, so we have to do research about all these things. I'm in Kuma. Yo.